Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Brian with a tutorial to tell you guys how do you get some stubborn sound out of your otherwise perfectly finished audio and it's bugging you. We're going to show you how to do that today. So what I've got here is a free program called Audacity. It is a free video editor, no frills, pretty powerful if you know what you're doing with it. But we're just going to concentrate on using free tools here today, and it's super easy. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to import my video. So I've got a video here that needs some work. Let's listen to it.
Let's go. What's up, everyone?
You hear that?
Welcome back to another.
At the very beginning of the video here, do you hear that droning sound in the background? Here, let me turn the volume up just a bit so you can hear it better.
Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Spittin Fire.
And so it does that throughout the entire video. So we're gonna take that out. We're gonna remove it entirely. So here's the video file. You can drag the video file directly into Audacity and it'll import. As soon as that gets done importing, we'll be right back. And the first thing that you want to do is you want to zoom in. So you're going to hold Control and you're going to scroll your mouse button way in until you can see the individual waveform. So let's hit the home button to go all the way back to the beginning of the track where we know that the noise is, and let's play and see where it's at.
Let's go. What's up, everyone?
So right there. So we need to actually zoom in way further. Hit the home button again. And this right here is the gold we're looking for. We don't want to get his voice.
Let's go.
So we know that from here to here is the noise that we want to get out of here. So we're going to use a noise reduction filter. And how this works is it needs a good amount of just the noise. So anytime you're doing a recording, you want to get what's called room tone, which is you sitting there in the room, getting ready to do your thing, and you're absolutely silent, and you just let the microphone pick up the tone of the room as it is. You want to do it every single time before you record a podcast or something, if you can, if you're going to be able to edit in post, so that you can subtract that and it'll make your voice pop. But it also works for removing things like this. So let's grab this much. That's about a second, right? That's about a second. So let's Control C and copy. Let's go all the way to the end of the track, and we're going to paste them in here. We're going to paste about 30 seconds worth. So you got to hit End, Control V, End, Control V, and get about 30 seconds of it. So that was 46. Almost there. Okay, that should be enough. So let's Control and zoom out with our mouse wheel. That gives us about 30 seconds. We're kind of cheating the system here. So let's actually select what we want. There we go. Let's try it again. Effect, noise removal and repair, noise reduction. So this is a two-step filter. The first thing you're going to do is click Get Noise Profile. Takes just a second. And now the profile, it averages out that whole sound, and we're going to apply what we just did to the entire track. So let's Control A to select everything, and let's do step 2. Effect, noise removal and repair, noise reduction. And we've already gotten our noise profile, so we don't need to do that. I've got the noise reduction set at 17. Anywhere from 17 to 20 is a good place to start. Let's see what this sounds like.
Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Spittin.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see if we turn it up just a little bit. What happens?
Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode.
Yeah, see, I don't like that. So let's go back down to like 16 and see what it sounds like.
Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back.
Okay, that sounds a little warmer. Leaves a little more of the bottom end in there. You can mess with these a little bit and do the preview, but I'm just going to apply what we've got here. And as soon as it gets done applying, we'll be right back. Okay, we've got it. So now let's listen to it. You see how that line just smoothed right out? Of course it did there. Let's go back to the beginning and see what it actually sounds like.
Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Spittin Fire.
Hello.
Perfect, right? So we're going to take this and we're going to do something with it. So let's go File, Export Audio. And you're going to give it a title, which I've already done. And then you hit export. What results from that is an MP3. You could also record it to OGG Vorbis or something lossless if you wanted. I just did it to MP3 for the purposes of here, and it's perfect. It works fine. So let's go to our other free program that we're going to use today called Shotcut. This is a free video editing program, and I've got a basic canvas set up here in HD because the video was also in HD. Let's pull up our video file here. You just drag it right in. Right, we've got it here. And then we're going to pull up our audio file. All right, let's import our audio just by grabbing it and bringing it straight over here, line it up at the start. And so this video file has the bad audio, right? So let's listen to how it sounded originally.
Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Spittin Fire.
Hello.
Today...
Okay, and then let's mute that one and do the fixed audio.
Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Spittin Fire.
Hello.
Today...
The voices just pop. They do. And then you can go and hit your export button here, and it'll bring up this, unless it's already docked somewhere. But this is the export thing. So you hit export, and then I've already done this, so you can just title it whatever you want, export it as MP4, and you are good to go. How cool is that? So I just wanted to kind of talk about this, with you guys a little bit, because it's a common problem. You've gotten some great content, but you don't have to record the whole thing again. It was lightning in a bottle. It's hard to catch again. And so this is a good way to clean up what you've already got. But that's all I've got today, and we'll see you on the next one.